In the early 1950s, electro acupuncture was born out of the work and research of German medical doctor Reinhold Voll. He developed a device that could measure the skin resistance at the acupuncture points as given by the ancient system of Chinese medicine. The meridian pathways were said to conduct the life force, which they called qi, through the entire body, linking to each of the main organ systems. Like rivers of life, a free, healthy flow of energy through the meridians was seen as essential for the health and well-being of the patient. The instruments used for this work are all essentially similar. They're ohm meters with a hand mass to pass the microcurrent into the patient, and a probe which is placed on the acupuncture point, completing the circuit and allowing the reading to be taken. With the advent of laptop computers, the software allows the practitioner to easily and quickly record the data from the meridian points. With enough practice, the skilled practitioner can take reliable readings by using a non-invasive pen-like probe directly onto the acupuncture points of the body. Once the circuit is set up, the clinician will conduct a test of all of the main control measurement points for the meridian pathways, each of these linked to specific organ systems and tissues. As well as screening the main meridian pathways, over the years these instruments have been used clinically for determining sensitivity and intolerances to foods and other environmental triggers. Okay, now what do the readings mean? You're looking at the Voll scale from 0 to 100, with a reading of 50 being ideal. Readings between 45 and 65 are considered balanced. A reading above 65 would be considered stressed, and if the current falls away when we take the reading through the meridian, we have an indicator drop, which tells us that the meridian is compromised. And finally, if the reading is in the yellow zone below the green line, we know that the meridian is weakened, indicating a potential degeneration in the associated systems. Once the test is completed, a full printout of the data can be obtained, and this helps us to determine the priority meridian, where we will target our intervention with remedies. The way we fix problems in the meridian pathways is by using bioresonance testing. We can put the applicable homeopathic, herbal or nutritional remedies in the circuit by putting them on the test plate of the instrument, and in this way each individual remedy can be tested for biocompatibility. The software associated with the instrument also allows for testing of a wide range of toxins, bacteria, viruses and other xenobiotics, making the testing process very comprehensive. Specific testing for compatible remedies through the priority meridian point helps us avoid the scenario where we're using guesswork to choose the remedies which we think may help us. There's an obvious cost implication here, as many patients are taking remedies and supplements that they have no real need for. So to avoid these common pitfalls, what we can do is find a qualified practitioner who can help us with this work, and we can get an EAV meridian test done. EAV testing provides us with a very elegant means of working with present health concerns and helping prevent future imbalances with a tailored protocol for each individual patient.